If you've ever struggled with removing the background from a photo, don't worry. Photoshop makes it easier than most people think. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and beginner-friendly method to cleanly remove any background in just a few clicks. Even if you're new to Photoshop, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to the File menu and click Open, or simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Now choose the picture you want to remove the background from. Once your image is loaded, go to the Select menu at the top and click Subject Photoshop will automatically detect your main subject and highlight it for you. Next, go back to the Select menu and choose Inverse, or press Shift plus Control. This flips the selection so that everything except your subject is now selected. Now, press the Backspace key. A small window will appear. Here, instead of choosing Content Aware, select White Background. Once you apply it, the background will instantly be removed and replaced with pure white. And that's all it takes, a clean, simple background removal without any complicated tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. I'll be uploading more easy Photoshop tricks, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.